The most commonly used 3D printing process is a material extrusion technique called fused deposition modeling (FDM). The FDM process builds a three-dimensional object from a CAD model by successfully adding material layer by layer. The flowchart of a general FDM process is shown in a figure. The initial part of a 3D printing pipeline is to create digital prototypes using various CAD software. After establishing the digital 3D model, the integrated CAM software is utilized to generate the G-code file. Technically, G-code is a machine language used to drive the motion of motors. The main task of the CAM software is to slice the digital 3D model into layers and to generate a G-code. Subsequently, the G-code will be transferred to the controller module of a 3D printer after slicing. In this fragment, the modeling takes place in the Autodesk Fusion 360 program. This program is convenient for creating accurate models. Specifically, then modeling this blade, the Loft tool was mainly used. With its help, we create smooth transitions from one section to another. One of the main tools is extrusion. With its help, we extrude the section to the height we need. At the stage of work in the slicer, we divide our resulting model into layers. This is necessary for printing. Some models may require supports and underlays, which are also created in the slicer to keep the model stable then printed. The support serves as a kind of temporary foundation for printed product. Layering assumes that each next layer of the product is based on the previous one. In the case then support is not provided under the first layer in one place or another by the product design. Support comes to help us. Let's talk about plastics used in printing. Already now there are a huge number of them, including rubber-like, conductive, glass, wooden, and even gypsum-like. but three types of plastics should be signed separately. First is ABS. This is a typical engineering all-purpose plastic. It handles and sticks beautifully and prints most of models you have seen live or on the internet. Second is PLA. It's also a very popular plastic for printing, made on the basis of processed products of corn or sugar cane, decomposed by bacteria over time. And third is PVA. It's a water-soluble plastic used to create supports of overhanging elements.